Hey everyone, Tristan back with another video, and I just wanted to do a quick video talking about the battery on the Boosted Rev. It is actually a replaceable battery. It's not something that's being marketed currently, but I did do an online chat with one of the Boosted ambassadors who informed me of this, and I wasn't really sure. I don't know how easy it is to do, and I don't know if it is currently something that is user replaceable, but I think in the future it will be, and I'm hoping that it will be. That way, if you want to upgrade to like for instance, a extended version of the battery later on, like if they release that, or if you need to replace your battery, you could probably just do it yourself. And then the Rev is more like of a platform. That way you don't have to replace the entire Rev, if you want more range, hopefully it'll just come out with a better battery, maybe a bigger battery that you can just swap in. Because I don't think it's very environmentally friendly to actually have to get a whole new Rev, if you just want more range. But anyway, the way that's done is, you see these two bolts right here. There's two bolts on the deck here. I don't know if you can notice it, but underneath the rubber, you can see there's like a little cutout there. There's another little cutout right there. Those are actually bolt covers. As part of the grip here, the rubber grip. So you just lift those up, and there's a bolt in there, so that corresponds, it'll look like that. So there's 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you lift that cover up. You just kind of gently pry it up with a small flat blade screwdriver or something like that, and then you unscrew those bolts, and then this whole deck will lift up. This part here, apparently, from what I understand, will lift up, and then you have access to the battery underneath here. So that's how it's done. But this is so new yet that they're not talking about it, and there aren't any like tutorials for it yet or anything. But I just thought I would do this video and kind of share that information, because I thought it was interesting information. And yeah, hopefully in the future they will, maybe as battery technology gets smaller, in the same size battery or whatever, hopefully they'll come out with even a more extended range battery than stock. Or if you just have to replace your battery, like if it's a bad battery or something, hopefully they can just send you that battery and you can just do it yourself, without having to ship the Boosted Rev all the way back to Boosted to do that. All right, questions, comments, feedback, please feel free to leave them. The comment section is there for you to voice your opinion, so I encourage you to do so, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.